Hi, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the GERYON Vacuum Sealer machine. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know our final verdict, and if this vacuum sealer machine is worth your money. GERYON Vacuum Sealer Machine Overview. The GERYON Vacuum Sealer machine is a device that removes air from specially designed bags, known as vacuum sealer bags. It uses multi-layer material heat seals that keep the air out. This reduces spoilage, food waste, and prevents freezer burn. Eventually, cooking and meal prep will become easier, faster, and more economical. It comes with two sealing modes, namely dry or moist, which guarantee the best possible preservation of your food. It also enables you to reseal sealer rolls or snack packets. The upper lid of this machine can be taken off to clean it easily and safely. It also has a compact and lightweight design that's portable and easy to store. Some of its features, like automatic sealing operation, LED indicator lights, and soft-touch digital buttons, make it user-friendly. What we liked: lightweight, thus easily portable, easy to clean, modern features such as LED indicator lights and soft-touch digital buttons. It comes with an air suction hose, vacuum sealer bags, and rolls. Short vacuuming and sealing time, 10 to 20 seconds. Manufacturer's lifetime support, 2-year limited warranty. What we didn't like: can be complex to use, especially for a first-time user. Limited number of sealing modes. GERYON Vacuum Sealer Machine Specifications. The GERYON Vacuum Sealer machine only weighs 2.6 pounds, making it lightweight and easily mobile. The product dimensions are also relatively small for easy storage. Features. Model. This vacuum sealer machine is an E2900 MS model with a 4S function. This simply means that food is kept fresh longer. Also, time taken during food prep, money that could have been used to compensate for spoiled food, and space that could have been occupied in food storage spaces is all saved. Beginning with keeping fresh food longer, the model of this item has a multi-use preservation system that keeps food fresh in the fridge or freezer for up to 5 times longer, and fresher than ordinary food storage methods. For example, using ordinary food storage methods, meat can only stay fresh in the freezer for up to 6 months. But with vacuum sealing, it can stay fresh for up to 2 to 3 years. Money spent on foods is saved, as food can be bought in bulk, taking advantage of quantity discounts, and stored for later consumption. This saves on time spent grocery shopping and enables you to leave a smaller carbon footprint, hence preserving the environment. Freezer fridge space is saved through vacuuming. The vacuum sealer bags that come with the vacuum sealer aid in organization. Therefore, you can say goodbye to cluttered and unorganized fridges and freezers. The fact that they're clear could also help you easily identify the foods, hence saving time during food prep. Product dimensions and design. This device's product dimensions make it fairly small considering its functionality. You don't have to worry too much about getting extra storage space for it, which is convenient. The design is also notable since the top lid can be removed and the vacuum chamber and gaskets can be easily cleaned. This guarantees peak levels of food hygiene and quality. Weight. The GERYON Vacuum Sealer only weighs 2.6 pounds. This is lightweight considering the functionality it offers. This makes it easily portable from one place to another. For instance, if you happen to organize your kitchen, moving this device around will not be a problem. Verdict. Should you get the GERYON Vacuum Sealer machine? If you're looking for a device that makes your work easier in the kitchen, then yes. Considering its inbuilt modern features, product dimensions, and weight, you're guaranteed to get a return on your money for the long haul. It may take a bit of time and practice to master the way to use it, especially for first-time users, but it's worth it. It also comes with vacuum sealer bags and rolls. Hence, you can save the extra money you could have used to purchase sealer bags elsewhere. Who's the GERYON Vacuum Sealer machine suitable for? This device can be suitable for those who may be extremely busy and may not have adequate time allocated to food prep. It's also suitable for those who have limited food storage spaces. Those who are looking to cut back on their grocery shopping expenses can benefit from having this machine, as they can buy food in bulk. Are there any alternatives? The best alternative to the GERYON Vacuum Sealer machine would be the Kinray Vacuum Sealer machine. It has similar features to the GERYON and is within a similar price range. The Kinray is simpler to use, has multiple sealing modes, and can be used to vacuum foods in cans, jars, or bottles. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.